Good morning, dear students. Let us continue the chapter coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum. So, coal gas. We are in coal gas from the last class. So, this coal, when undergo processing to produce the coke, the coal gas is obtained as a byproduct. Okay. So, when coal is processing to get a coke, so the byproduct obtained is called as a coal gas. What is the use of this coal gas? Where it is used? So it is used in the street lighting in earlier days in London and New York in 1810 and 1820. So it was used as a street lighting. So now it is used as a source of heat. Now it is used as a source of heat, and it is also used in the fuel industries. Used as a fuel in industries such as coal processing plants. So and what is this petroleum? Okay, so next is petroleum. We will discuss about the petroleum. Petroleum is usually it is used as a fuel in automobiles. Like small automobiles like motorbikes, scooters, cars, etc. And also some of the petroleum product called diesel. It is used in lorry as a fuel and trucks. So and also petrol and diesel, these two are the petroleum products. These are the petroleum products. So this is derived from the word petra. Petroleum is derived from the word petra, that means it is obtained from rock. Oleum means oil, rock oil. And so it is mined from between the rocks under the earth. Okay, so under the earth. So how these petroleum are formed in nature? Okay, these are all the natural resources, but these are exhaustible natural resources. It will be exhausted, or it will be exhausted, or it is completed for some more years, some many years after. So it will be exhausted if it is not wisely used or properly used. Okay, so these petroleum are obtained. Usually, so I said coal are obtained from the burying or decaying of dead and decay organic matter when get buried inside the earth. So due to pressure and high temperature, it will convert it into coal, isn't it? After millions of years. In the same way, in oceans, so in seas and oceans, the aquatic animals and aquatic plants, when they die, they become dead and decay. So under the ground of the ocean, upon that sand will deposit, clay will deposit, and few layers of the sand and clay deposits, and it puts pressure on that dead and decay matter. So after millions of years with this high pressure and temperature, so it will be converted into petroleum, the dead organic matter. So whatever the aquatic plants and animals so present in the oceans, it is converted into petroleum. And this petroleum and natural gas will be always in the upper layer, because water has a high density liquid. And petroleum and other natural gas, they are light in weight because of the density. So they always float above the water. So it will be extracted by mining the oceans and seas. So these petroleum and natural gas are obtained from the oceans by mining process. And then once it is extracted from the ocean rocks, okay, so once it is extracted by drilling, so what happens? It has to make different varieties of that is dust, dirt, and it is mixed with water, and it also contains so many different liquids, isn't it, of different boiling points, such as petroleum itself is a mixture of oils, such as it contains petrol, diesel, kerosene, wax, coal tar, isn't it? So that is and so much aromatic compounds, wax. Okay, it is a mixture. Petroleum is itself a mixture of so many oils, so which has a different boiling points. So So we have to separate one from the another, isn't it? Petrol ಇಂದ ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡೀಸೆಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to do the refining process. So whatever the liquid obtained from drilling, so it will be taken to the factory. For refining process. Here this is called fractional distillation. Where different oils, fats, kerosene, diesel, petrol, okay, and other aromatic compounds are all separated depending upon the boiling points. ಅವು ಒಂದೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ they will get evaporated and they were collected in separate chambers. So and they are separated from one another. Okay, that is what refining is done. That is purification of petroleum products. Purification of petroleum products is called refining. Okay, by putting them into that is different temperatures. So with respective boiling points, it will get separated. Okay, so the products which are obtained, the different products which are obtained from after refining, they are called as the petrochemicals. Because of its so much commercial use, because of its so much commercial advantage, it is also called as a black gold. Because these petrochemicals which are obtained from that is petroleum, so they are used to manufacture detergents, fibers, plastics, fertilizers, whatnot, dyes, okay, whatnot. So much commercial advantage is there from the petroleum. That's why it is called as a black gold. Okay, so and these natural resources are limited. Very much limited. So this is the petroleum refinery industry. So and these are the various constituents of the petroleum and their uses they have given. So this petroleum gas in liquid form, LPG, that is petrol, kerosene, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, bitumen. Okay, now bitumen is used in paints and road surfacing. Okay, so like this many uses of petrol is there, petroleum products are there. That's why it is called as a black gold. Okay, so and natural gas is nothing but compressed natural gas. Is nothing but the compressed natural gas, so which we use in a it is having less fumes, so that is smoke. It has having less smoke, so that's why it is environmental friendly. So it is used nowadays. Okay, and some natural resources are limited. They are exhaustible resources. They will be emptied. In a short time. That's why we should be take care of while using the natural resources. These are all about the coal and petroleum. Okay, so thank you dear students.